America, your president is the type of person that holds Putin's purse while he goes to the washroom to squat and pee. That's who you elected for your president. He holds Putin's purse like a good little bitch. You voted for it. Khrushchev? What's his Russian handling name? You voted for this. And now he's made all of your systems weak. He's destroyed all of your internal security mechanisms. Canada can roll right over you so you wouldn't know what happened, and all we gotta do is bring snowballs. You'll run because you're afraid you'll get hit in the eye. Oh, don't, you might hit me in the eye with some ice. And that's all it'll take.